Hello all and welcome you on the video tutorial of representative concepts. So here in this video I am going to discuss how to handle the mouse event. So in the last class we have discussed about mouse events. We will see how to handle the mouse events along with the program. Okay. So to handle the mouse events, first we need to implement two interfaces, that is mouse listener interface as well as mouse motion listener interface. These two interfaces are containing many methods which will be very helpful us to handle mouse events like mouse dragging, mouse clicking like this. Okay. So let us look at the program to demonstrate this mouse event handler. So as you can see here, first we need to import three packages: java.awt.event, java.awt.graphics, and import java.applet. So these three packages first we need to include. Then public class mouse events extends applet, because all event will be handled by this applet viewer only. Next, it should implement two, as I said, two interfaces. One is mouse listener interface, another one is mouse motion listener interface. As I said you that this interface is containing many of the methods that is used to handle this mouse events. Okay. Next, string message, nothing I have written in this message. Next, int mouse x and mouse y. These are the coordinates of the window, that is 0 0. By default the value is initialized to 0. Next, first init method of applet. So in this method we have added two methods, that is add mouse listener, add mouse motion listener. So this classes of the interfaces are added over here. Next, public void mouse click mouse event. Whenever I click the mouse, so x-axis and y-axis, x-axis value is 0, mouse x value is 0, mouse y value is 10. So at this position, this message will be appeared, mouse click message will be appear. Okay. So whenever I click the mouse at this position, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 10, at this position, the mouse click, this message will be appear. Okay. So then I called repaint method. So you know what is the use of repaint method. Okay, already we have discussed the repaint method in the applet. Next, so this is about mouse click. Now we'll see what happened when mouse is entered into the applet window. So we have written one more method, that is mouse entered. Next, again at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 10, so we will get a message as mouse entered. Okay. So repaint method is called again. So this is about mouse entered method. So mouse clicked, mouse entered. Now let us see when mouse is exited, what happens. So whenever the mouse is exited from the window, so we have written this method mouse exited. So again at the same position, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10, mouse exited, this message will be printed. Okay. So again we have got repaint method. So next method is mouse pressed. So whenever I click on mouse, or when the mouse is pressed, what happens? Look at this, mouse x is equal to me dot get x, mouse y is equal to me dot get y, and after that down message will be printed. So these two methods, me dot get x, get y, it will give you the position of cursor of in the mouse in the window. Okay. So suppose for example, consider this is one window. So when I place this mouse here, so x-axis value is something, y-axis value is something. So when I move a cursor like this, again the x-axis, y-axis value will be changed. So this get x and get y is used to it is to get the coordinates of window. Okay. So x coordinate is placed in mouse x, y coordinate is placed in mouse y. Then after that down, this message will be printed at that position. Okay. So these are the mouse method. Okay. Next, one more method is mouse release. So click when a mouse is pressed, when mouse is released. Again we have one more method here, mouse release. Again same thing, get x, me dot get x, me dot get y. So here I am writing the message called as up. So here it is down, next message is up. So last method is mouse drag. So when we drag a mouse in the window, what happens? So again the same thing, mouse x is equal to me dot get x, mouse dot is equal to me dot get y. In the status window, it is displaying this message. Look at this. We have used a method called as show status. This is the method that is used to display the message in status window of applet. So drag mouse at, so it will give you the position of that x axis and y axis. This will give you the position of cursor. Okay. Next, repaint method is called. So after that, last method is mouse move. Okay, so whenever the mouse is moved, what happens? So dragged, mouse moved. Okay, moving mouse is moving at the position. Again, me dot get x, me dot get y. Okay, so these all are the methods we have to handle. So when we do the event handling on mouse, so all these are the methods of mouse event handling. So at last, our the public wide paint method, which takes a graphics object, that is G, then G dot drawstring message mouse x and mouse y. So this is the x coordinate and mouse y is the y coordinate. Okay, so let us look at the output. So first, let me run the command prompt. Okay, so cd java c will compile this code. So I've written it as mouse events.java. So mouse events.java. Okay, so no errors. Now we can run this code in applet viewer, because this is a kind of applet program, so to handle the events. So let us look at the output in the applet viewer. So mouse events dot html. So okay, I want to show you this mouse event html file. Look at this. This contains the basic applet program, that is basic html applet program, that is which contains the code, width of a window, height of a window, and closing tab of applet. Okay, so let us look at the output. Look at this, the window is appearing. Now I will drag the mouse. You can see the status window where it is pointing to the x coordinate and y coordinate value. Look at this. So this is the value. At corner it is 0 0. You can see at the top of the this. Look at this. This is the 0 0 position. So at top left corner of this applet window, the position of x-axis and y-axis is 0 0. Now I will drag the mouse. You can look at the changes. So you can look at this mouse entered. Okay. So when mouse is exited, you can look at this mouse exit. Mouse we are dragging here. So look at this, up, down, up, up. So after that, when I drag down message is printed like this. So this is about dragging the mouse. So when I drag the mouse after clicking here, so this all message will appear. So mouse dragging, mouse exited, up, down, mouse click. So when I click the mouse click. So here, look at this, down, mouse click. When I go up, down, mouse click, up, down. So all these are the events which is handling. Okay. So you can also execute this program and see the output. This program is available in your textbook. Okay. So similarly, I have one more program that is used to display you the keyboard event. Okay. So key pressed, after key pressed, key released, key type, what happens? These are the events of keyboard. Key pressed, key release, and key type. Okay, and look at the code. First import this three package, import java.awt, java.awt.event, java.applet.start. Okay, public class simply key extends applet implements key listener interface, because this is for keyboard. So keyboard interfaces, key listener interface, mouse interfaces, mouse listener as well as mouse motion listener. Two interfaces are there for mouse. For keyboard, only one interface is there. Next, string message. I have not written any message. Look at the x coordinate and y coordinate value. X is equal to 20, y is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Next, init method. In that method, I have written one method, that is add key listener. So first method is key pressed. After key pressed, what happens? So I'm printing this message in status window by using show status method, key down. So this message will be printed when key is pressed. When is key is released, this message will be printed in status window. Look at this, show status. So when key is typed, so that typed character will be appeared on the screen. So message plus is equal to key dot get char. So all this typed character, when you type the key, all this typed character will be appeared on the screen. Okay. So these are the three methods of this key event. Okay. Next, public wide paint graphics G dot drawstring message comma x comma y, x coordinate and y coordinate. So let me show you the output of this also. So first I will compile this Java C. So I have written as simple key dot Java. Okay, it is compiled. Now run it by using applet viewer. Applet viewer. simple key dot html. You can see this applet window over here. Okay, now I will click here. So I will start typing. You can see the changes in the status window. Key up, key down is showing. So whenever I minimize and maximize it, you will get the typed character. Look at this. I have typed this character. So this character will be appeared on screen. So one more time I will run. One more time I will run the same thing. So I'll type the message. So you can see. You can check the status window simultaneously. Okay. So I have pressed some of the keys here. So now I will minimize and then maximize the screen. You can see. I on scan. This is the method I have entered. Okay. So this is about key events. So both the programs are very important for the exam point of view. So please go through the programs which is there in the which is there given in the textbook, as well as start practicing this program. This kind of program will be asked in exam. Okay. So thanks for the watching video and have a nice day.